the Eco Citrus Leaf Miner trap is the perfect method to control this very debilitating bug that can seriously inhibit healthy growth in all citrus trees. Citrus leaf miner moths lay their eggs onto new leaves. The hatching grub then buries into the leaf, munching its way through the juicy new leaf and leaving a distinctive silvery trail behind it. You can tell when you've got leaf miner, as the leaves will start to curl and distort. And of course the tree itself will start to suffer overall, as its energy generation capacity is diminished. Just open the trap, fold in the sides, and then unseal the rubber plug that has been impregnated with a special pheromone. The male moth will then fly in and get stuck on the sticky interior. It's as simple as that. If your citrus is a bit off colour, then check the leaves for sign of citrus leaf miner and hang one of these in your tree canopy.